This is Federalist 10 explained from an ecological standpoint. So we can look at each of these different organisms within this simplified food chain as different factions. Like grass could be its own group of individuals, grasshoppers, mice, and owls all as well. Each one of them acting in their own self-interest and having their own beliefs and competing with each other by eating each other. Madison thinks that this is very good. Much like in biology, having a higher biodiversity is impactful for the ecosystem's success. If the entire ecosystem was just grass and grasshoppers, then grasshoppers would grow to enormous sizes and grass would all die out. This would be like one faction or group of people growing so big that they can oppress the minority, and that minority has no representation. But that's not the case. We have mice to keep the grasshoppers in check, so that the grasshopper population doesn't get too big, and so the grass population can stay healthy. But then the mouse population would get too big, and luckily we have the owl population to keep them in check. So everything all works together to keep everyone in check. And this is exactly what Madison is trying to argue in Federalist 10 when he's saying that factions can regulate themselves, and there will be so many competing interests and groups that one group cannot oppress the rest. That was Federalist 10, described in ecological terms.